How to create a custom product with Alibaba. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a custom product with Alibaba. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Alibaba, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Alibaba, it is a global e-commerce and technology company that connects manufacturers, wholesalers, and buyers through a digital marketplace, making it easier for businesses to source products in bulk and competitive prices. So basically, from here to create an account, just click the link in the description where you can start navigating here some of the categories and product section. But in here, we're going to use also Shopify platform in creating a custom product in here, in which this platform is a cloud-based and e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create, customize, and manage online stores with ease. So from here, just simply create your account, then you will be directed in here on this page. So what we're going to do to create a custom product is like this platform or website, in which in this website, the source of products that they use is the Alibaba in here. So they don't usually have their enough inventory on their own or physical inventory, but rather they use Alibaba as their dropshipping sources. And as you can see in here, they're selling the custom product from 30 euros to 60 euros in here. But on Alibaba, in which they use as the product sources, when we try to search custom t-shirt, you should be able to see here that some of these products are offer half the price of what they are selling. So they will earn most half of it. That makes them profitable. So as you can see, we have here a variety of lists to choose from. Let's say I'm going to click this one or choose this, in which the price range is from $5 to $6 per t-shirt, which is almost triple the amount of prices on the other website. So this is basically what it looks like, where you can add a custom design or logo in here, and it will show you a variety of variations of color and sizes. And aside from that, you should be able to see here that when you order 1 to 200 pieces, it will show you the corresponding prices. But when you order more and more, you will earn or you will get enough discount. So that is just basically what we're going to do. So before that, let's go first to go in our Shopify store. So start creating your own store on Shopify. Then from here, just simply install the application that we're going to use by clicking apps, and in here, all recommended apps, in which we're going to search or look for an application that will help us to dropship from Alibaba to our store. Then click Shopify App Store, then you will be directed on this page. All you need to do is simply go to the search bar and look or search for Alibaba dropshipping. Clicking this Alibaba dropshipping, you should be able to see here a variety of application to choose from, but I'm going to choose, for example, is Alibaba and AliExpress dropship. By clicking on it, it will show in here all of the details. That includes the overview and the possible features that they offer. But as you can see, if you scroll down, they also offer a free plan and so on. So upon opening this, after installing, you should be directed on the page where you can now start navigating or start dropshipping or look for different products from Alibaba upon signing in your account on Alibaba in here. So it will show you directly in here, like this one, we'll be able to start looking for different kind of products. So in this part, I'm just going to simply skip this one on Alibaba Express dropship application. However, as you can see from here, you need to have or you need to pay for at least $1 in order to navigate or use this kind of platform or application in here. So at this point, I'm not going to use this one, AliExpress or Alibaba dropship, but rather we're going to use the other alternative. So all you need to do is simply go back in here, and upon searching this Alibaba, just click Dropshipman Easy Dropshipping. So upon installing this, just simply open it, then you will be directed on this left side panel on the app section. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to see the result or the dashboard, and just simply go on the left side panel and choose the product selection. So from here, all you need to do is simply search for the product that is also selling on Alibaba, in which we can start looking for custom product or the product that can be customized to add logo or any kind of design that we prefer. But at this point, it is not available, so I'm just going to simply search t-shirt as an example. Then you should be able to see a variety of options to choose from or to add as a product in your online store on Shopify. And upon clicking product importer on the top right corner, you should be able to see here that you can also import from AliExpress and not on Alibaba. But again, let's assume that this is dropshipping application that is offered for Alibaba. Since the one that we installed earlier, you need to have or you need to pay $1 in order to access those apps. So from here inside of t-shirt, I'm going to choose these phone cases. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here all of the details that we need to know. And we could also search on Alibaba the same thing, which is customized phone case. And now upon looking for those kind of specific product, it will show us all of the details or even a different kind of design prices. But make sure to click the suppliers instead of products in here to get more discount if you're trying to buy in bulk. Since to get more discount and make it profitable, you'd also start investing by buying more products in here on your own and resell it on your Shopify at higher prices that you get or that you purchase on Alibaba, so that you will earn a commission or even more profit from this. It will show us in here the prices when you order more items in here. The higher the items or quantity, the higher the discount that you will get. But make sure to send an inquiry to supplier first, and you need to remember some of the things that you need to ask before completing or purchasing the products to your supplier, in which these are some of the lists that I also enter, and that includes the payment terms to confirm how and when you pay, helping manage cash flow and reduce the risk. It is also important to ask about MOQ if it is negotiable, and ensure that you can start with low volume and test products without overstocking. And also about dropshipping support to verify that they can ship single orders directly to customers, and the product quality and materials to prevent slow quality items that cause returns and bad reviews, sample cost and lead time, order processing, packaging and branding options to help build a professional brand and improve customer experience, and even the shipping methods and delivery time, tracking and after sales support, and many more. So those are basically some of the things that you need to ask the supplier before making them as your official supplier to the products that you will going to dropship to your online store on Shopify. And after that, you can now start creating a custom product with the customers. And in terms of returns, refund, and replacement policy, you also need to ask about it since it protects your business from losses due to defects or delivery issues. So again, from here, all you need to do is simply install the application on Shopify, which is the Alibaba dropshipping. And after that, you can start linking or signing in your Alibaba account to that and look for a specific product that you want the dropship to create the custom products and also sell directly on your Shopify online store. And you will earn a profitable income for it. And overall, that is just how you can create a custom product with Alibaba. Thank you.